Now, the Italian Renaissance tried to give man the gift of flight. But that's old news now. Here in this Texas Renaissance, we're moving beyond earthly flight and heading straight for the stars. While SpaceX and Blue Origin get lots of publicity, let me introduce y'all to a different company that's already set numerous records, Firefly Aerospace. From this facility outside of Florence in the small town of Briggs, they're building the fastest, lightest rockets known to man. Now, they don't do scheduled public tours, but they open up often for schools and community groups, so I thought it'd be a good chance to share it with all y'all. This is VP of Engineering, Bridget Oakes.
So right now we're actually in our manufacturing facility, and these are pieces of barrels and domes that come together for the fuel and ox tanks for the MLV rocket, or our medium launch vehicle.
Do you have to pinch yourself that you build rockets every day?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
And spacecraft.
And spacecraft. I mean, it's high science, but it's a bit of an art too,
I think
right?
Composite specifically is definitely an art.
Compositing carbon to make ultralight rockets is part of Firefly's secret sauce. So secret, in fact, that we can't show you everything. So light.
Not only is it more light and has the strength that we want to preserve, but it's scalable. So we essentially can just drag the pen over, make the picture larger, and then we can go and build those much larger vehicles using the exact same technology.
My goodness. Firefly's vision is to give everybody access to space. Not humans, but objects. Satellites and instruments of every kind, from government entities like NASA to private businesses. They're also building spacecraft that can move items between different levels of orbit, something that's never been done. Oh, and they can now even put things on the moon. That just blows my mind.
And this was the first successful lunar lander from a commercial company to hit that, yeah.
And needing stuff in space is not slowing down, right?
Absolutely not. Different commercial companies, different institutions want access in different ways. Another one of the things we do really well is how quickly we can deliver. We were able to get a call and then go and launch the Alpha rocket to space just over 24 hours later.
What?
No one has been able to do that before. I think the longest record before that was something like 28 days, and we took it down to just over 24 hours. So when I say that we do things fast, we do things very fast. So the sky's the limit, essentially.
Well, not even, because you can go past the sky.
Okay, true.
While Firefly plans to launch rockets all over the globe, everything is made right here, including the engines. Lucky for us, they're about to conduct a little test fire. So let's meet up with engine engineer Alex Cagnola to show us the boom. I feel like we're going into a James Bond movie set. Whoa, now this looks like an engine.
So welcome to Test Stands 5's functioning Miranda test bay.
This is rocket science.
It is rocket science, yes.
Miranda is Firefly's largest engine yet. All of Briggs and Florence is going to shake when this thing.
Yeah, I think everyone knows that we're testing this one first.
Okay.
Goes over there, so.
Let's go. Wait, are we nervous about this one?
I don't think so. It's pretty exciting. Never gets old.
I got my lucky shoes. I'm never nervous.
As long as the lucky shoes are on. I'm feeling the fireflies. Are you feeling the fireflies?
Ooh, the fireflies.
They're going there in my chest. You see the smoke coming out of the bottom. They're just like priming the pump, so to speak. It's liquid oxygen. It's got to be stored extremely cold. Jet Tripper to ground control. Prepare for launch. My whole body is rattling. This is unreal. And to think their Eclipse rocket is going to have 7 of these engines strapped to it. Yes! Look at the cloud of smoke it just sent into the Texas sky. Oh my gosh, that was one of the coolest things I've seen in Texas. I'm glad there's people way smarter than me trying to figure this stuff out. That is awesome. Whew. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.